Hello dear students, so this is paper 2022 question number 7. It says here are two cubes A and B, and we have given the mass of cube A and the mass of cube B, and we need to find out the density and density of A and B, and we need to write down the final answer in the ratio A and B. If we know that density is equals to mass over volume. We have given mass for A and B. And what do you know about the cube? So all the cubes, their length, width and height is same. So the length is 3 centimeter, width is 3 centimeter. For this cube, this length is 4 centimeter and this length is 4 centimeter as well. So if you need to find out the volume of cube A, what is the formula for volume of A? Will be length times width times height. So the length is 3, width is 3 and height is 3. So 3 times 3 is 9, 9 times 3 is 27 centimeter cubed. This is the volume of cube A. Now we're going to find out the volume of cube B using the same formula, length times width times height. So that gives us 64 centimeter cubed. Now we know that the density of A is equals to mass over volume. So to find out density of cube A, so the mass of cube A is given 81 and volume we just worked it out 27. 81 divided by 27 is equals to 3. Now we're going to find out the density of cube B is equals to same formula, mass over volume, and mass we have given 128 and volume we just worked it out 64, and the density of cube B will be 2. Now the question says the density of cube A ratio the density of cube B. Give your answer in the form. So let's write down here density of A ratio density of B. In the what's the density of A is? We just worked it out 3 ratio 2. And we can clearly see that both A and B are integers. Integers means the whole number. So the integer A, the density A and density B, they both are integer. If you have any question or if you don't understand anything, please let me know in the comment section. I will explain again. Okay, please don't forget to subscribe and like the channel. Thank you. Have a lovely day. Bye.